what's up mga kote? It's me, Kuya Michael, and welcome sa Kuwaderknows, wherein learning is the name of the game. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo muna ang subscribe, like, and share buttons for more updates and videos. Sagutin muna natin ang answer ng ating end of lecture question video number 4 doon sa ating previous video. And that is, we need to classify the polynomial according to the number of terms and state its degree. So, sa polynomial na ito, ang sagot natin dito is ito. Ang classification niya according to the number of terms ay isa siyang trinomial, tapos ang degree niya ay 13. Bakit naging 13? Kasi this is a multivariable polynomial, kaya kailangan natin pag-addin yung exponents ng bawat terms. Sa first term, ang kanyang degree ay 13. Ganon din sa second term, kasi 11 plus 1 plus 1 is 13. Sa pangatlong term ay 12 lang, kasi 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1 is 12. Since 13 ang highest degree natin ng terms, yun din ang ating degree ng polynomial. So ayun ang sagot sa end of lecture question number 4. Now let us proceed to our new topic, which is addition and subtraction of polynomials. In this video, kailangan you should be able to add and subtract polynomials, apply the rules in operating integers, and identify like and unlike terms. Mas magiging klaro ito kapag nasa example sa tayo. Pero bago tayo mag-example, kailangan i-recall nyo lang yung rules sa operating of integers. Again, pag nag-add tayo ng integers, we add the like signs. And then, pagka unlike yung signs, we subtract, pero we take the sign of the larger number. Sa subtraction naman, papalitan lang natin yung sign ng subtrahend and perform addition of integers. Then, number 2, at ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat, we always have to combine like terms. Pero ano nga ba pag sinabi nating like terms? Like terms are terms that have exactly the same variable and the same exponent. Sorry po, maulan. Example of this are x squared and 5x squared. Like terms sila kasi pareha sila ng variable at pareha sila ng exponent. Eh sir, paano po yung halimbawa x and x squared? Are they like terms? Hindi po sila like terms. Although pareha sila ng variable, kailangan pareha sila ng exponent. At sa case na yun ay hindi sila parehas ng exponent. Kaya hindi sila like terms. Another example of like terms are 7xy and 5xy and the constants. Of course, 3 and 5, basta kahit anong constant ay those are like terms. At ito naman yung examples ang hindi like terms. X and 5xy. Bakit sila hindi like terms ay pareha naman may x? Kasi meron tayong y dito. Kailangan, kung x lang dito, dapat x lang din dito. Kailangan loyal ka sa isa. Okay, proceed. Let us proceed to our examples na. Addition of polynomials. Again, we have to remember the rules in adding integers rather. Tapos we just have to apply the concept of like terms. Pag nag-add tayo or subtract, we just combine the like terms. Example number 1. Add x plus y minus 3 to 3x plus 5y plus 32. Okay, so huwag nyo muna i-post, sundan nyo muna ako. So again, we have to combine the like terms. Hence, ang sagot natin dito is ganito. Para mas madali sa inyo, we can group the like terms like this. So, we have x plus 3x, nakagroup sila. Tapos si y plus 5y, nakagroup sila. Tapos yung constants ay nakagroup. Then follow the operation of integers, yung mga rules sila. Kaya yung x plus 3x magiging 4x, yung y plus 5y ay magiging 6y, tapos yung negative 3 plus 32 ay magiging 29. Kaya sagot natin dito ay 4x plus 6y plus 29. Sana maging malinaw sa inyo. Therefore, try nyo sagutan yung number 2. Add x squared plus 5x plus 6 to x cubed plus 5x plus 3y plus 39. Pause the video if you'd like to give it a try, but here is the solution. Ito pala. Pagka yung mga terms na walang like terms sa bawat expression, halimbawa yung x squared and x cubed dito, pati itong 3y, kopyahin nyo lang sila doon sa operation. Tapos, ang intindihin nyo na lang dito yung meron like terms. Just like this. So, yung x cubed ay walang like terms sa both expression. Yung x squared ay wala din sa kabila. Yung 5x ay meron din na 5x kasi x sila parehas. Tapos, of course, our constants ay like terms. Then, yung 3y ay mag-isa lang din. So, copyahin mo lang. Kaya, ang magiging sagot dyan, pag in-evaluate natin yung mga like terms so pinagsama natin, ang sagot ay x cubed plus x squared plus 10x plus 3y plus 45. And that is our answer. Sana nakuha ninyo yung sagot. Now, let us go to question number 3. We have to add x to the power of 4y plus 5xy cubed plus 3 plus xy squared minus 6xy cubed minus 29 plus 6x to the power of 4y plus x squared plus 25. Take your time in answering this, so you may pause the video kung gusto niyo sagutan. But here is the solution. Kung papansin nyo, ang dami nating mga expression, ang dami nating terms. Pero ganun pa din yung rule. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin dito is kailangan lang natin i-take yung time sa pag-combine ng like terms. Kasi, sobrang dami ng terms, baka malito tayo. So, take your time in identifying the like terms. Kaya naman, pag pinag-combine na natin sila, we have x to the power 4y plus 6x 4y plus 5xy cubed minus 6xy cubed plus xy squared plus x squared plus 3 minus 29 plus 25. Again, kapag walang katulad, kopyahin mo lang. And then, we just simply perform the operations. Kaya naman, pag pinag-combine natin itong x4y plus 6x4y, ito ay magiging 7x4y. Tapos yung 5xy cubed minus 6xy cubed, ito ay magiging negative xy cubed. Then, copy these two terms. Tapos itong constants ay from left to right tayo. So, 3 minus 29 ay negative 26 plus 25. Ang sagot natin ay negative 1. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 7x4y minus xy cubed plus xy squared plus x squared minus 1. Sana naging magkatulad tayo ng ating mga sagot. Okay. Now, let us proceed to subtraction of polynomials. Again, kapag nag-solve tayo ng subtraction sa integers, we invert the sign of the subtrahend. Ganon din sa polynomials. Ang pinagkaiba lang, kailangan natin i-distribute yung inversion sa buong subtrahend sa terms. So, halimbawa sa example na ito, we have to subtract 3x squared plus 5x minus 9 to 9 minus 2x. So, instead of isang term lang yung mababago, yung sign ng bawat term ay mababago. So, katulad ng ganito. So, dito, mapapansin natin yung 9 minus 2x, kapag in-invert na natin yung sign niya, yung 9 ay dahil positive yan ay magiging negative 9. Tapos yung 2x dahil negative yan ay magiging positive. Kaya we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 9 plus negative 9 plus 2x. So, sana na-guess din nyo yun. Then, we simply combine the like terms. Ayan. So, just combine them, tapos ito ang magiging sagot natin. 3x squared plus 7x minus 18. Tandaan, kapag parehas ang sign sa addition, we just simply add and copy its sign. Kaya siya naging negative 18. Hopefully, you get it. Next, let's proceed to question number 2. This time, you could try to answer this question. Subtract 4x4 minus 17x cubed y plus 16x squared y minus 15x plus 16 plus 3y from 15x to the 5th plus 12x cubed y minus 16x squared y minus 15x minus 16. Pause the video if you'd like to try the answer. Pero, here's the solution. Tandaan, basahin muna ang question kasi meron tayong keyword na from. Pag may from, magbabago yung ating order kung alin dyan yung minuend at yung subtrahend. Yung minuend natin ay itong second expression, itong 15x to the 5th, keme. At yung subtrahend natin is 4x4 minus 17x cubed y plus 16x squared y minus 15x plus 16 plus 3y. Ibig sabihin, ito yung papalitan natin ng mga signs. I-distribute natin yung inversion. Again, be careful kasi mahaba yung expression natin. Pag in-invert natin yan, ito ang kakalabasan. Then, we just simply combine the like terms. Kopyahin yung mga walang katulad at pagsamahin ang mga meron. Kaya naman, kung iti-take nyo yung time sa pag-combine ng like terms, ito ang magiging sagot natin. We have 15x to the 5th minus 4x4 plus 29x cubed y rather minus 32x squared y minus 32 minus 3y. Again, pwede mo silang pagpalitin. Itong terms na to. Pwede mauna yung negative 3y bago yung negative 32 or kayo bahala. Itong x, pansin nyo na-cancel kasi conflicting yung sign sila. So, negative to, positive to. Since pareha sila ng value ng coefficient at parehas ang term, maka-cancel sila. So, ito yung ating sagot. Hopefully, nakuha ninyo. And before I end the lecture video, we have our end of lecture question. Simplify 3x squared plus 5x minus 6y squared plus 15x plus 6x minus y minus 13x minus 3x squared minus 7xy plus 6y squared. Put your answers in the comment section and then we will answer that in the next video. Thank you for listening in the lecture. I hope you have learned a lot. Again, I am Kuya Michael from Kuwaderknows. Stay safe and God bless.